I'm going to show how I make this cleat rack for this saw. First, find a piece of scrap plywood, lay your saw down, make a pencil mark, trace the line out. Set your table saw fence up to the width of the measurement we just took and cut out 3 sections of the plywood. Next step, we're going to take one of the pieces that we just cut out on the table saw, bring it over to the miter saw, set it at a 45 degree and make a 45-degree mitered cut on each edge of that piece. This piece will be the actual surface that the track saw will sit against on the cleat rack. And this is what it'll look like when you're done. Next, you can see I am marking out a 3/4 inch groove on one of the 3 scrap pieces we cut on the table saw earlier. This will serve as the back of the cleat rack. Then I put a 3/4 inch straight bit on a Makita trim router and put a straight edge attachment guide on there, lined up the bit with the groove that we just marked out, and then I came through and made my cut. Next step, I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill 2 holes for my screws in the middle of the groove. Then I'm going to go ahead and drill 2 countersunk holes on the back side to where the top of the screw head is flush with the back. Next, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of wood glue and spread it around with a brush. Next, we're going to put the board in place and screw it in from the bottom with 2 1.25-inch wood screws. Next, we're going to add some wood glue to the mitered edges of the first piece that we cut out. Then once we have it properly seated where we want it, we're going to take our brad nailer and fasten it down to the other 2 pieces that we just screwed together. Right here, I'm cutting out a small piece of scrap wood that's going to serve as a stop block for the saw to rest against once it's on the rack. Then we're going to add some glue and get it nailed in place. And next, we're going to find just a small piece of scrap wood, come over to the miter saw and cut a 45-degree miter cut on one side. Then we're going to bring our miter saw back to 0 degrees and cut it about 2 inches from the far edge of the miter to where it fit on the French cleat rod. Now that we have this piece cut, we're going to go ahead and drill 2 countersunk holes to fasten it to the back of the cleat rack. And next, we're going to get it fastened down to the back. There you have it, cleat rack from my track saw, all made out of scrap plywood. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and check us out on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Catch y'all later.